Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I am going to show you how I created this eye look, which I think is perfect for the holidays, but also for any occasion you want to wear it for. Now the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids, and I'm going to use the Jade Cosmetics eyelid primer. I'm using the applicator to kind of apply some dots on my eyelid. I'm just going to blend this primer all over the eyelid to make sure that my whole eyelid is covered in this primer. It removes redness and it's going to make sure my eyeshadow is going to stay in place all day. I'm going to use this palette from Jade Cosmetics, which is called the Selfie palette, but I will make sure to put all the products I'm using today in the description bar in case you're curious what exact products I'm using. So I'm starting with this soft orangey color, and I'm going to blend this in the crease area, kind of going from the upper part, like at the center of the brow, kind of going downwards. I wanted to create kind of like a soft glam look, even though it's not really soft, but my intention was to do a soft look. But you know how that goes. When you start playing with makeup, you add a little bit more and more, and before you know, it starts to look kind of glam. So yeah, that's what happened today. But I just blended that warm color in the crease. Then now next I'm going in with this shade, which is a bit darker, and I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the other color, and kind of going on top of where I just blended that lighter color to kind of make it darker. I want to create kind of like a deeper, darker crease effect. I have done similar eye looks to this one, and I really love this type of eye look. I really don't know how you call it, but just by creating really darkness in the crease basically, and also blending around the outer V, kind of creating a round shape effect. And I'm just going back in with more and more of that eyeshadow to darken it up until I'm satisfied with the darkness of how everything is looking. So when I think everything looks nicely blended out, I decided to make it even darker and go in with the black eyeshadow from the same palette and apply a little bit of that in the outer V area. And I just applied like a tiny bit until I was having that dark eyeshadow there. And then after this, I'm going back in with the previous color I used and blend it more out. But I just wanted the darkness to kind of be there, but not too much. I didn't want it to blend like a lot of it, like all the way towards my crease. I wanted the darkness to only be where you can see it right now. So just making sure that the product is there, and then later I'm going to focus on blending it out. So now kind of smudging it upwards around the edges, and now like I said, going back in with the dark brown color which I used before this and blend more of that around the edges to make sure that everything looks a bit more soft. I'm not really focused at the left side because it looks a bit weird blended, because I am going in with eyeshadow on top of it. So I'm really focusing at the outer end of the eyelid and not really like at the beginning of where I applied the black eyeshadow. It's kind of hard to explain, but hopefully that makes sense. I'm really focusing at the round shape to make sure that that part is nicely blended. And later you will see what I'm doing right now. I'm going in with this golden shade, which is so pretty. I'm going to blend it over the eyelid, and now you can see that I am applying it on top of the beginning of that black eyeshadow. So it didn't matter that it wasn't really blended out well, because the golden eyeshadow is gonna cover it up. So that's the reason I wasn't really focusing on that. Then now for the next step, I'm going in with this pencil, which is a black pencil, and I'm going to use this for above the lash line. I'm going to create a simple line, and the reason I'm doing this is because I love layering my eyeliner. I love using gel eyeliner and then going on top of it with liquid liner. I love using pencil and go on top of it with liquid liner. By using different layers of textures of eyeliner, the eyeliner is going to stand out more, and it's gonna look more black. So this is just a tip that I could give you guys. But after creating the line, I'm actually going in with a clean, tiny blending brush and blend a little bit of that pencil in the outer V. So the eyeliner pencil is still a bit creamy, so if you go right after applying the pencil in with a blending brush and smudge a little bit, you're gonna blend it out basically. So I did that. Then now I'm going in with their liquid liner, also from Jade Cosmetics, all the products I'm actually using today are from Jade Cosmetics, if you haven't noticed yet. They are sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And I really hope you guys like the look that I created today with their products. So I'm going to use a mixture of the dark brown and this warm orangey brown color and apply this underneath the lower lash line. Kind of using the same colors as I used in the crease, just to make sure that everything is nicely balanced when it comes to the shades. And of course, doing everything that I'm doing at one side of my eye, doing at the other side as well. Now I'm going in with this bronzy coppery kind of shade and blending a little bit of that underneath the lower lash line, kind of in the center area. And then now using this color and popping a little bit of that in the inner corner of the eye and also underneath the beginning part, underneath the lower lash line, just to make it a bit lighter. Now for my waterline, I'm going to use this light pencil, and you can also go in with a black pencil if you want to make this more smoky, or a brown pencil would also be really pretty, but I haven't used a light pencil in my waterline for so long, so I wanted to kind of change it up and go in with the light pencil. Let me know if you like how it looks. Then now it's time for mascara. So first I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to use the Jade Cosmetics Dramatic Volume and Curve Mascara to apply a coat on my lashes. I am going in with fake lashes, but I always make sure that I do apply a coat of mascara because my own natural lashes are kind of light brown, so I want to make them as black as possible, so my fake lashes will kind of seamlessly blend into my own natural lashes. So this is the end result of the eyes. Now I'm gonna finish off the rest of my makeup. I have already applied my foundation and concealer. Now I'm gonna use their Jade Cosmetics blush in such a pretty color. I will make sure to put the name in the description bar. It's this beautiful peachy pink color. I actually applied quite a lot, but I love blush. Now I quickly applied my lip liner off camera. I used a soft nude shade that really goes well with this beautiful lipstick, which I also used in one of my previous video where I used Jade Cosmetics their products, and it's such a pretty kind of nude pinky color, which I personally love. And then this is the end result. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're gonna try this eye look. I have a special discount code for you guys if you want to purchase any of Jade Cosmetics their products. I have all the information linked down in the description bar together with the link where you can go and shop their products. And yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And I wish you all an incredible day, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!